This is Crawley. I got down this train in Crawley. So Crawley is the town where I lived for 7 months in the year 2013 to 2014. So I came here on my job. So from Capgemini, and I lived here for 7 months. Lived here for 3 months. This is the bus station. I used to take bus. I used to come by bus to my office, which is close in town, it was in town center. Station, bit old building, bus station. Yeah, this is the bus station, actual bus station. So Middlebury is 100 bus. Where my daughter used to go to school, Middlebury 100. So mall is a boots. It's all high-end retail shops are there. There's F-Ins, so there's Dutchman, so there's Primark. This is Village Mall. Continued. I am going to Primark to buy shoes for me. So sorry, shoes, not socks for me. So shoes are very expensive. I have checked in Dutchman. So normally Dutchman is very reasonable shop, but I don't know it. Very beautiful shopping complex. Primark, W.S. Smith, Post Office. Primark is very good. It's very reasonable store. I will go and check for my socks. I want to buy socks because I am running out. I just bought only one pair, so I will check in Primark. Beautiful. Krispy Kreme donuts. I wanted to have one, but it is expensive. So next is also big retailing. So I have bought some items in Primark. They are very cheap. 5 pairs of socks is only £2. So bunion is only £6. 3 pairs. So they are very good, very reasonable. So we used to come into this market often. It's very good. I used to have breakfast every day in that Greg's. Used to have like croissant or anything in the morning before going to my office, because my office is very close from here. I am just going to my office, my ex-office. So it is a EDF client. So I used to work for that client from Capgemini. So here it should be one Pakistani grocery shop, like Indian. We used to sell Indian and Pakistani groceries. So we used to buy from them every week, vegetables, fruits, and mainly groceries. This is a Taj, I forgot. This is the one, Taj Grocer. So we used to buy from this shop all our vegetables, Groceries used to be my office. This used to be my office, and I used to work in the first floor. So I worked here for 7 months. So this used to be EDF office in Crawley Town Center. Now it looks like it is not a EDF office anymore. This used to be my office. This is my church, close to my office. This is Taj Groceries. I used to buy all my groceries, Indian groceries, from here. Rice, lentils, dal, and everything. Masala, pickles. You can see. I bought my 3 phone here for 1 year contract. So this is the route I used to take every day to come to go to office and go to home. This is a children's kids play area. It used to be same. So this is the route I used to take every day. In the winter it was very cold. Like I came in the month of June, but stayed till by March. So December, January, February are very cold. So this is the library. My kids used to come here. So on weekdays, so just for whenever there is weekends, whenever they get bored at home. So I have to go this way. So that way goes to Gatwick Airport. So if we take left, it will go to my son's school. If we go straight, so it goes to our flat, old flat. The same showroom. It was here in 2013, almost 11 years back. So even in busy bees, so Crawley nursery, it used to be here. These are all retail shops just outside of Crawley. I am going towards Three Bridges, towards my flat. My flat is between Crawley and Three Bridges. I think my daughter used to take this to go to her school to catch bus. So this is the Commonwealth Drive. See how beautiful this is. Flats. So they are all flats. Like a gated community, but we don't have any facilities. And there is no gate, just series of flats, that's it. This Tesco Express used to be here from past 11 years. So this is Tesco, and we used to buy regularly groceries here. This is Tesco Express. So we used to buy groceries in Tesco Express close to my flat. See the beautiful flats. Calm, quiet, no one is there. All are at home. Same, there is no change. All these flats. I hope my family will cherish these memories. One Gujarati guy, my colleague, used to live in these flats. They came once. But Gujarati British, not Gujarati. So this is the way to go to my flat. So 24 Page Court used to be my address, our address. So I will just go and see if I can access the 24th flat in Page Court. So that is our building. So in that 24 is a flat number. See the open area here. So it's kids playing area. Yeah, I can see Page Court. One person is going. So this is 24. It's 23. This is 24, our flat. So I am leaving Page Court now. I will go to Three Bridges station. So from there I will take a train. So this is Page Court. So I just visited my flat 24. So this is the way we used to take to go to Three Bridges station. So every weekend we used to go. So, and we used to visit London, like East Ham or Croydon or museums. So because it was cheap, ticket was I think only 6 or 7 pounds including tube. So day return by Bedford train. So not by Southern train. Southern trains are used to be expensive. So this is the area my kids used to play. Kids used to cycle, not cycle, used to play. Sorry. So first 2 weeks I have stayed in a hotel, and I am going to visit my hotel too. I think that is Holiday Inn. So that is my hotel. So all sweet memories to cherish, excellent memories. So I am now going towards Three Bridges station. So I am leaving my flats, my community. So these are all different apartments, but ours was Page Court 24. See the trees. It's a beautiful springtime. So we can see that's why it is total green. So this used to be my hotel. I have stayed here. I stayed in this hotel for 2 weeks. Like when I came first time from India on an assignment. It was a long-term 2 years assignment actually originally, but later it changed to short 7 months. So I was disappointed. I wanted to stay in UK for 2 years, and we have bought, cards, mattresses, cupboards, and everything. But unfortunately, cost cutting. So we can't help it. So it happens in IT. So I have stayed in this beautiful hotel for 2 weeks. The buffet breakfast I used to enjoy buffet breakfast in the morning. So it's only 15-20 minutes walk to my office. So this beautiful Holiday Inn Express close to Crawley and Three Bridges Holiday Inn Hotel. So I am now going towards Three Bridges station, train station. So from there I have ticket to go to London Victoria. So I will board any first train to London Victoria. It's only I think 40 minutes from here. I am walking towards Three Bridges station. A beautiful walk. But it will take at least 10 minutes from my. We should take 15-20 minutes from my flat. So, but in cold it used to be tough. But when the weather is fine, excellent, so no issues. You can walk this 15-20 minutes. Metro Bus Company has introduced beautiful blue buses. See, they're excellent. So old buses used to have different color. So these new buses are looking very nice. Used to be car taxi rank. Once we had a party in that Snooty Fox is a pub just opposite to Three Bridges station. So this is Three Bridges station. First 3 months I have lived in a room, but I have to go further from here, maybe 4-5 kilometers. I need to take bus. I don't have time to visit. So this is Three Bridges station. So where every weekend we used to go to London from this station. I think there is one train ready. Looks like I miss it, but I will take next train. So it's not a problem. We'll have frequent trains from here. So this is a Three Bridges station. There is Greg's here. So I have to go to. I am going towards Three Bridges station. See the people coming out. It's after spending office or business or whatever. It's a Friday evening. I have a train at platform 4 at 7:01 p.m. 7 p.m. So, like 7 p.m. Now the time is 6:45 p.m. But you can see still great sunshine. This is Three Bridges station. So that platform is Brighton. This platform is London. These are all sweet memories. So we used to go to London Bridge every weekend. So that side is Brighton. So this train is going to Portsmouth Harbour, where I came from. So I will catch this train to go to Three Bridges. Sorry, London Bridge, where I have to get down. London.
St Albans City, Harpenden, Luton Airport Parkway, Luton, Leagrave, Harlington, Flitwick and Bedford.